provides future-ready measurement solutions at Automation Expo 2026. WECA India concluded a successful participation at Automation Expo 2026, where it showcased its latest measurement technologies designed to support smarter, safer, and more efficient industrial operations. TCBU expands truck refrigeration installation services for cold chain sector. TCBU Experts Limited, an authorized super snow dealer based in Ruiru, Kenya, has strengthened its truck refrigeration installation capacity to support fleet operators moving perishable cargo across Kenya and the wider East African region. Parker introduces data center cooling sensor. Parker Hannifin, the global leader in motion and control technologies, announces the launch of the SCVOT2 Vortex Flow and Temperature Sensor, a compact high-performance sensing solution engineered to support the rapid adoption of liquid cooling in data centers. National Pump Company introduces HVAC and data center cooling solutions. National Pump Company offers quick ship and engineered product solutions for HVAC systems and large cooling applications serving data centers. Backed by more than 50 years of experience in the industrial and commercial market, the company provides pumps designed to meet the performance, efficiency, and reliability demands of critical cooling infrastructure. i2Cool showcases electricity-free cooling at UNESCO conference. i2Cool participated in the 2026 Global Conference of the International Decade of Sciences for Sustainable Development at UNESCO headquarters in Paris, highlighting its electricity-free cooling technologies and the UNESCO-endorsed FIRST program. The event underscored the role of scientific collaboration in advancing practical, scalable solutions for climate resilience and sustainable development.